How to verify account in Upscrolled. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to get your account verified on Upscrolled so you can unlock credibility and trust on the platform. Let's dive right in. First, open the Upscrolled app and make sure you're logged into your account. Then, tap on your profile icon in the corner of the screen to go to your profile page. Now look for the settings. Tap on it. Inside settings, scroll until you see account verification in the help section. Tap on it. Here's where you'll need to fill in some details like full name, email or phone number, a clear profile photo. Upscroll may also ask for proof of identity or links to your official websites or social profiles to confirm who you are. If the platform asks for ID, upload a valid ID like passport, driving license, etc. Make sure the photo is clear and readable. Double check everything before submitting. Once everything's filled out, tap Submit. Your verification request will be sent to Upscroll for review. Average review time can vary, so be patient. You'll get a notification or email once Upscroll review your request. If approved, you will see the verification badge on your profile. And that's it. That's how you apply for verification on Upscroll. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.